All right, yo, what's up? This is day 2, Hurricane Idalia. I'm on the North Bridge, aka Cosgrove Bridge. We out here, I'm out here again, solo dolo by myself, about to catch some big old rusty blue, baby. Look at the sky, baby. It's pretty in the back. Hey, we about to have some fun, man. Stay tuned, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Twan's Crab Trap is where it's at. South Cac, baby. Woo! Calm down. Calm down. Hey, feisty, baby. Calm down. This is what I do. They want to know, hey, Twan, what you use, man? Yeah, I got chicken, but like I said, there's something special about my chicken. I'm about to pick you up. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Look at the rust. You know how I do. Big old rusty blue. Ain't nothing changed except the weather, baby. Ain't nothing changed except the weather, baby. Let's go. I'm tired of playing with y'all. I'll be back. I got more crabs to catch. Okay. They biting today, baby. Look. Another big blue. Don't just watch my videos. Don't just watch my videos. Ooh, you a big one. Ooh. Let me see if I can get this with my hand. You slippery. Don't just watch my videos. Subscribe. Yes, sir. Don't just watch my videos, baby. Subscribe. Yeah. Don't just watch my videos. Come on. I'll show you what I do. I'll show you what I do. Keep watching. I'll show y'all what I do. Big old blue. Number 2. Okay. I don't have any ice. That's okay. They'll be all right. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty, yo. Look at the clouds. That is nice. Look at that pattern. Man, I love it out here, man. I love it out here. This is my peace. This is my calm. I enjoy it. Twan's Crab Trap, baby. Let's go to work. Woo! Got another big rusty blue, baby. Look at that. The rust on that one. Check it out, check it out, check it out. This is what I do. Big old rusty blue all day, every day, Cosgrove Avenue, man. Hey, nobody can do it like me. I'm gonna just sit right here and let's let y'all look at this, man. Just look. See, when I say I catch the big old rusty blue, you know how I do? I'm not playing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm serious about it. When I do it, I do it. And I do it the right way, baby. Big old rusty blue. You know how I do. Yeah. Bang. Let it drop back in the water now. You want me to, what you gonna do? Hold up. Wait a minute. You know how to grab it? No. Come from behind. Grab it from the hind leg. No, not like that. From the back. Let it come from behind. Now hold it closer. Yep, just like that. Put your finger right there. Okay. There you go. Now pull it up. Don't let go. No matter what you do, just don't let go. All right, pull up. There you go. Keep your eye on that one. Okay, now put it inside the bucket. There you go. Good job. High five. There you go. My dog. Angelo. No, just grab it right here like you did last time. Okay. No, from the hind legs. Right here, with that finger, like this. Yep, just like you did the last time. Watch, move this hand. Okay, pay attention to the claws. Now pull up, grab it, hold it, pull up. I'm gonna help you. There we go, there we go, there we go.
Yeah.
That's right, baby. Say big old blue.
Big old blue. How big is that thing?
I don't know, but he's big enough. Good job, boy.
Why you got water in here?
That's ice. It keeps the crabs cool.
Oh.
One down, more to go. Oh, man. Anytime, every time. I play no games. I wish I had my cameraman out here to see me pull this one in. OMG. Look at that big blue. Hold up. Let me put this sucker down. The big old blue, baby. Look at that. Get a load of that, baby. Big blue. Hey, y'all know how I do. I like to give crabs away, baby. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give these away.
Wow, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy.
I got it.
You want to take a picture, Angelo? All right, I got that. Yes, sir.
That's what's up.
Big blue, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Killing them.
Oh, yeah.
Cosgrove Avenue.
Yes, sir.